guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, and we'll be unboxing this unicorn and we'll be painting it. So let me just get this side. These are the paint brushes, tools. Let me open it. And here we have this little tool. I think it's glue. Now, these are the little gems I was talking about. Wow. They're very shiny and a rainbow. And see those little stickers. I think they're stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. And here, glitter stars. And here we have little sponge to dab it up. And glitter. More glitter. And here we have the pink brushes. Ooh, better put them back on. These are what else is in the box. And here's the words. It says be magical. And I love it. I'm gonna choose this one. These paints came in the box. So let's get painting. I like unicorns and rainbows because they're so colorful, pretty. They're part of my dream. And now I want to get painting because I'm just too excited. First I have to take a paint brush. I think I'll use yellow. For the stars. I think I'm done with the stars. No, I am not, because I still have some on the back that I want to do. And gotta be very careful. There we go. Almost done. The water's turning kind of yellow. And that's all wiped with my... So I put these down, turn it around. Thank you. I needed the golden. Golden, 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 golden. Are they still recording? Yeah. Thank you for golden. These are the goldens and the blacks. So I need gold. For the horn. project is special to me. It's all about magic and unicorns. Did a little bit of a messy job. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Love you all. Bye-bye.